welcome. In this session of CUET PG past paper analysis, we are doing hospital management domain, and the questions have been taken with reference to 2022 to 2025, and the pattern of the questions have been identified. So the first and the foremost important section that we would focus on is public health and epidemiology, the concepts regarding the dimensions of health, a very basic question. Now this is a question pattern where MCQs based on foundational knowledge are usually asked. The ecological concepts related to disease and the outbreak. Now again here the terms like epidemic, endemic, pandemic are some of the common terms which have been asked in your hospital management paper, and the steps in the verification of the outbreak. The next is the hospital administration and the operations section. Now here dealing with disaster management, patient safety, the immunocompromised risk, the nosocomial infections are some of the important topics which are being asked. And then the assessment by the hospitals, which is basically the fiscal assessments, how the planning has to be done, how the profit loss structure of the hospital has to be identified. And then the regulatory frameworks, again very important. Now this is a topic which is based on rote learning. So the framework for the drugs, for the trade, for generic medicines, the export certifications, the pharma standardizations are some of the important ones. So broadly these regulatory frameworks are divided either into policies, the quality assurance, or the regulating bodies. Now the kind of questions, as we have seen in the pattern, we have direct questions which focus on the dimensions of the health as some of the general topics, the type of the disorder, the pandemic, endemic, or the epidemic, and the spread, the communicable, non-communicable, the basic concepts under hospital administration, the basics of health and social medicine that you should be aware about. Then there are questions based on match the following. Now here some of the questions pertain to very standard questions based again on rote learning. For example, the location of various AIIMS across India, the location of major pioneer healthcare institutions across India, the new institutions that have been established or being given support, and the specific domains besides the medical domain. Even the paramedical are some of the times which are asked in the paper. Then assertion reason questions. Also chronological questions. Now chronological questions are usually either based on the investigation of an outbreak, or the year of establishment of an institution, or the year in which the policy regulations have been brought. So those are some of the questions based on chronological sequences. And then case-based sequence or passage-based questions. These pertain either to the major the policy or the governing body, and the assurance based on the regulatory framework. So either on that there is a case-based question or passage-based questions. So what you have to memorize has to be well understood under the hospital administration section. And what are the topics which are based on contemporary analysis? For example, the location of various AIIMS centers or the healthcare pioneer institutions, their year of establishment, their major centers, their major contribution are something which is based on rote learning. However, you can score really well if you practice the past 4 years papers very well. So what you can do is you can simply go here, and we have covered all the papers from the past years to help you understand the kind of questions, and here you can learn and practice to understand and score better for your CUET hospital management. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining and have a wonderful day ahead.